Are you okay? It hurt? Where is it hurt? Let me see. Your knee hurts. Oh, man. Toughen up, man. It's football. You can't be talking about your knee hurting football. I mean, you can. Okay, well, next time they say height, you give your friend the ball. Okay? Height, Silas. Here, Silas. Can you go run? Here, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys will know that the hole is there. It's your turn. Go. You ready?
You're gonna run, and Roman's gonna grab your flag.
Run. Go. Good job, Silas.
Alright, bring it back, boys.
Hey, man, you the best player we got. You got to give him a chance to learn like you, okay? He is. He be looking so irritated with this. What is up, Tubeland? What's up, Tubeland? Hey, your girl's back. Hey, your girl's back. Hey, your girl is back. Good morning. Weekend vlog. Today is Saturday. I was just running, so I'm a little not out of breath, but winded. Because I ain't out of shape like that, I don't think. But anyway, today is Saturday morning, game day. Sorry, it is game day for Silas. It's a beautiful day. Mama out here. I left my coffee, my mushroom coffee to be exact, in the car. So I'm trying to hurry up. Why? Silas is getting ready. I heard whistles, but they putting the flags on him and stuff. And they was over there practicing with him to put his mouth guard in, because for whatever reason, my child don't be wanting to wear his mouth guard. Gets on my nerves. So, and he normally not acting right. But today, I said, I'm gonna let him deal with him. I was like, y'all need some help? They're like, no, we got it, Mom. Mom, I think we need a little help. Oh, never mind, Mom, we got it. I'm like, you know what? I brought my chair today. I'm sitting down. I ain't fooling with my son. I'm gonna let the coach handle it. But anyway, guys, let's get back to the game. Got my mushroom coffee. My coffee has rice mushroom, cacao superfood, cinnamon, water milk, and agave. So that's what we I didn't get the shabby as good as I thought, y'all. So y'all excuse them, but let's get back to the game. Cause Silas, he just over there sitting down, minding his little business.
Go, Max.
Go, Max, go!
Go, 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 go.
Go, Max, go, go! Yeah! Go! Good job! good start.
Jenny, you need to stop it, girl.
Go, D. Is he gonna throw it or he gonna run it? Come on, get it. It's the way the kids didn't know to get the fumble. Ah! Block. Go. Yeah! Woo! Go. Go, Silas, get the flag. Get the flag, Si. Get his flag. All right, get the flag next time. Silas. Your job is to grab the green flag. Go, Silas, get a flag. Green. I know he did not take off his own flags. Why? I did. And look where he going. Silas, where are you going? All right, D. He got that.
Good job.
Get the flag, Silas, the green flag. Go. Why do you make a U-turn like that? He gonna get a flag anyway. Yep. Get a green flag. It's not your turn to hike. Get the flag, Silas. Get a green flag. Oh, they ain't making it over. They at halftime now. Let's see. Silas just running. Last week or the last game he was doing better, but this bun is whopped. Whatever. I'll leave it like that. Last play, I think. Yeah, run! Get it, run! Good play. You just gotta run. Seeing him with a mouth guard. I don't know if he be in his pocket or what. Silas, put the mouth guard in your mouth. Not him grabbing flags already. Silas, get in line.
Look at, watch the moon.
Run, Silas, run! The other way. He would be one of the kids running backwards. Run, Silas! What did I do to you? Oh, you doing that? Listen, you're trying to get in all the trouble. Throw it! I need to practice his little throwing too. Good job, Si. I told you, now he over here working for the fruit snack. Silas, pay attention. It's gonna be me in this video. Go, Silas, go! Get the flag! Oh, now he's just playing. These kids. Silas, get in line! See, that's how I know he... Grab the flag! Silas, get a flag! You are like you guys gotten so close, and
That little kid fast.
he is, and he playing. Look how he get the flag, Si. You can't be right up on him and not get the.
Flew out the water, Bosco. It's crazy.
We didn't get we didn't get no touchdowns. So we just been ganging in and losing yards the whole game. She said, "Give me Max." Go, Silas, get the. What was that? Oh, he fell. Is there a hole over there? Look, I'm convinced there's a hole. He's cheating. Okay. All right, let's see if he can get us the last. Look at the look. Let's see.
Of course, we come in the high school.
Go, Roman! Go, Roman, go! Keep going! Good job! Max, go! Go, Max, go! Keep going! No, go! Come on, Max, go, go! Up the middle! Up the middle, back! Go, Max! Yeah! Woo! Go, Max! Keep going! Keep going! Yeah! Woo! Good job, Max.
Good job running with him, guys.
Go, go, go! Woo! Good job, Delancey. Probably tired of me. He should be. Silas, get in line. Go shake hands. Oh, he get on my. Go get in line. Be your own son. Good job. Yeah, high five.
Hi.
High five.
Now we're gonna go into the playground.
You want to go to the playground?
Yes.
All right. Come on. What? You tired now? You had a good game today. Did you have fun playing football today?
No.
No, you didn't have fun? Okay. Well, why didn't you have fun playing football?
Because I still went to the boat.
Because you wanted a boat.
I said to you, send me like boat.
Oh, you in the boat now?
Yes, come push that.
Why I gotta push it? You look like you're doing a good job by yourself. Okay, 2 pushes. I'll push it with my foot. Well, mommy gotta go buy some fruit. It's falling. Okay, it's time to go. Ready to go home so you can get on your computer?
Nope.
No? Okay. Well, you just having fun on this exercise machine like it's a real swing. Hey guys. We don't get outside too much, so I figured I'd just let him play for a little bit. And then he had his buddy Max, who y'all just seen in the last play. But Max only wanted to play with his, what is it, electronics. I don't know what's with the kids with the electronics, man. I promise you, if I had a phone or something for Silas, he would have been doing the same thing. But they had a good game today. It was interesting. They were passing. We'll see. Anyway, guys, I'm moving on to the next clip. We'll see you guys when we get home. These shabbies are getting on my nerves. I gotta do something today.
2,
1.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good job. 22.
22.
You gotta go all the way up
26,
there.
28, 30.
Good job.
Help! Let me down!
Get down.
Six, 8, 10. Turn it on.
I did. You want to see?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good job. You
Now
gonna do-
let's count to threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40,
Are you gonna
5,
count by 10?
10, 15,
15,
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
I didn't even know he knew all of those.
Let's see.
Good job. Can you do 10?
12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
I guess you've been paying more attention.
21, 28, 34, 42, 49.
The mountain's so pretty. I like how it's surrounded. Yes. Look at him. I thought you were getting pine cones. Let's go. I've been trying to go for 30 minutes. Jackie Robinson Park. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Ready?
Yes.
All right.
Today is
Saturday.
Saturday.
Let's spell Saturday. Ready?
SATURDAY.
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay.
What's the October?
October. Let's write it right.
No. No, listen to me. October.
October.
What's this one?
18, 20, 25.
And today is game day.
Game day.
What kind of game did you play today?
Open it up.
Wait, let me see.
Can I open it?
Yeah,
So
but
I
we
can
gotta
open
spell
it?
game day. Game day.
GAMEDAY.
And what kind of game did you play? Did you play football?
Game.
What kind of game did you play today? I'll give you, huh?
Game.
What kind of game?
Game.
Which kind of game?
Football.
Football. Can you write football?
Yes.
Right here. F. No. Write it under game day.
F. O.
It's two O's.
O. T.
Ball. Ball.
B.
Mm-hmm.
E.
No, that's eh. The other one. It will be ball. A.
I want a block letter.
But you could do the black letter. Can you put the eh? This is what I be dealing with. Him wanting to make block letters.
It's game day.
Today's game day. Now let's spell football one more time. One more time for football. Spell it for me one more time. Let's go.
FOOTBALL.
And that spells, what's that word? He's so busy doing math. What's this word, son? Say football.
Football.
Thank you. What's this? 14 plus 4? 14 plus 40 equals what?
4 plus 10 equals 14.
No, 4 plus oh, that's true. That's true. Good job. I was thinking about 4 times 10. But 4 plus 10 is 14. You're absolutely right. I promise this boy turn everything into block numbers, block letters, block, block, block. But we back home. They had a good game, as y'all could see. It was a good game. It's always a good game when the kids participate and play and whatever, because they be so cute. But they be running that ball all over the place. And Silas just be out there. He just be out there running. But he getting better because, hold on.
G-A-M-E-D-A-Y.
What's that word?
Football game.
Game. This is game day.
This is game day.
Today is game day.
Today is game day.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I am back home. Ugh. Finally. Well, I've been here. I mean, finally back on the camera. I went to the fruit stand that I like to, and got me some Asian pears. I guess I might show y'all in this vlog, but I don't feel like going over there. Also, I got an unboxing to do. Not too much, little Amazon packages and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. And then me and Silas are going to go to my friend Shannon house. So y'all seen, I don't know if y'all seen the vlog of me on Labor Day. I went out with her. So me and her are gonna hang out. Just going over her house, have some drinks, cook, girl talk, you know, let the kids play. And yeah, but let's get into this unboxing. Okay, y'all, I'm off my phone call. Let's get into this unboxing because I feel like I have been trying to shoot this part of the video for like 3 days. I got these packages last week. So, Silas, if y'all hear him in the back, he back there making noise. My cover. Let me fix my aesthetics. Let me fix my aesthetics. What is this? Something spilled on my couch. Anyway, so first things first, we're gonna start with this package. So I got Silas 2 types of costumes. I asked him what he wanted to be. He didn't know. I know we're doing a trunk or treat, and I got a science coat, so I bought him a science coat. And then I bought him a chef's coat because he likes to cook and stuff. So I wanted to get him the Mario accessories because he loves Mario Brothers. Because I could just get him a red shirt, blue jeans. He got that kind of stuff. And then with the Mario, I refuse to pay those prices off Amazon for accessories. But I'm afraid to go shopping in the stores because I don't want to overshop. So anyway, this is his chef's costume, which I'll be vlogging this week so you guys will see him in his costumes. Water. I need water after drinking that water. All right. First Amazon package. Shannon hit me up today. She wants to come back over and grill today. I have some things that I need to get done in the house, so I'm gonna see. I do want to grill because she was like, we could put some salmon on the grill. I'm like, ooh, I love me some grilled salmon. Okay, so she might win me with that, but if so, we're gonna do a little early because I was just over there last night. Had a good time over there. So okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? This is my matcha set. So this is not a Halloween thing or whatever. But we're just doing an unboxing because I didn't remember it. I bought this matcha set because I love matcha, and I've been having a pack of matcha in there for years, like 2 years, I think, and I just refused to make it the wrong way. I don't know. But I got the matcha tea set, which we gonna unbox that in another video, but I'll show y'all that. And then I got one of these to go with the matcha tea set. I like these frothers. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So I got a purple one, and my tea set is also purple. It don't say purple, but that's the one I chose. So damn it better be purple. But that's that box. Let's see. This box kind of heavy. This one got some Halloween stuff. Okay, whatever. Okay. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. I got. Oh, that's what's heavy. So I got this big old 5-pound bag of gummies, and I gotta hide from my son, so I gotta hurry up. So these are for the trunk or treat, and they're gluten-free, gluten-free, fat-free, and low sodium. They don't say that they're vegan or anything though, but these are really, really good. So I'm gonna do a little experiment for Halloween and using a gummy bear, and I'm gonna do that for the kids. So that's that. Oh my god! And then this is Silas's scientist costume. So it comes with a bow tie, a nameplate, some glasses. I don't want to open it right now. Some gloves and a white coat. So you guys will see it when we get all fancy and dressed. All right, my phone just ran out of space, and then my scarf fell off. Like, it's been about in like 2 minutes. But anyway, that's it for the unboxing. I don't have anything else to unbox. And then the matcha will go in another part of the video or another video or something. But I will see you on the next clip. I don't know if I'm going to my friend's house or not today, but I'll put some cooking on here somewhere. I'll see you on the next clip. Okay, y'all, so I done cooked the whole dinner and forgot. So what I got is some swa, some curry cabbage with onions, peppers, and carrots, some black beans and white rice. This is jasmine rice, and some good old sweet and buttery cornbread. So that's my whole cornbread. And I have this is cold. This is the beans and the rice. I don't feel like opening all that, but yeah. I'm about to eat my food and call my son to eat his food. This is his plate. Got him some little salad, carrots, his little fishing. You know, all the kids love ketchup. And what's that, cornbread? He gonna be like, yay, cornbread. But yeah, so about to eat it up.